Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw rainbow heart. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Now let's color this beautiful heart. We are using rainbow colors: red color, orange color, red, orange, yellow color, light green color, light blue color, dark blue color, purple color, again red color. Let's complete these colors. Red color, red color. Which color we are using? We are using red color. Red color. Good job. Subscribe for more drawing videos. We are using red color. Now orange color, orange color. Now we will complete the yellow color. This is yellow color. Which color we are using? We are using yellow color. Good job. Light green color. Let's complete light green color. Light green color. Now light blue color. Let's complete light blue color. Which color? Light blue color. Good job. Dark blue color. Dark blue color. Which color is this? This is dark blue color. Last one. This is purple color. Let's complete it. Let's make it neat. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.